Apart from the Bank of Canada and the People's Bank of China, the ECB is also holding a policy meeting this week. This crucial event is sure to be a catalyst for the currency market. Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel to find out what are the important events and data are due at the end of the week. At a policy meeting on April 22nd, the ECB Governing Council is widely expected to put the key interest rate on hold. Traders are anticipating the official outlook for the European economy. Earlier, investors voiced concerns that the inflationary spiral was released. However, they have shrugged off fears in light of fresh evidence of a moderate and predictable pace of consumer inflation. Now, investors will be looking for clues for the ECB agenda for scaling back stimulus programs. Market participants expect ECB President Christine Lagarde to unveil a policy update with cautiously optimistic remarks in her usual manner. All in all, policy decisions and remarks of ECB policymakers at the press conference could be bullish to the euro. When it comes to the US dollar, investors are unwilling to buy the US currency. Neither upbeat employment data nor robust retail sales are able to push the US dollar index back to the previous highs. The reason is that market participants are well aware that massive stimulus measures from the government lie behind positive macroeconomic metrics, so the beneficial effect is going to fade in the near time. In the weekly update on US initial unemployment claims, analysts are braced to see an increase of jobless Americans. The number of first-time claims for unemployment insurance is projected to grow to 642,000 last week. This information could escalate pressure on the US dollar. On the other hand, the last report logged the smallest number of initial claims since the pandemic outbreak. In this context, a higher number of claims next week would be logical. Besides, investors take into account growing volatility and overheated conditions in US markets. Oddly enough, under the current economic conditions, the European Union economy looks more resilient. On Friday, traders will get to know a series of macroeconomic data from the Eurozone. Most of the reports are likely to print positive metrics. For example, investors will be encouraged by the UK retail sales data for March. The report will confirm robust consumer activity in the first spring months. Retail sales could have rebounded to the positive territory in annual terms, with expansion to 4.2%. Inspired by the positive news, traders will rush to buy the pound sterling. At the end of the trading week, market participants will find out preliminary PMIs by market economics experts for advanced economies. The indicators of business activity will shed light on trends in these countries. That's sure to make a serious impact on market sentiment. This race will be discussed in detail in our daily video news. Don't miss it. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.